Let's take a look at administration in SOLIDWORKS 2018. Within SOLIDWORKS there is a new login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. This is great, for instance, when you go to My SOLIDWORKS or the customer portal. You will already be logged in. The other benefit to logging in is there are now new options to preserve and maintain your SOLIDWORKS settings as you log in. So if you're switching between different machines, it can automatically load your settings and customizations if you want it to. There is a new area available on My SOLIDWORKS called the Admin Portal. This area is for CAD administrators to manage their assets. It will show you the company's licenses, who the license is registered to, and the machine it is located on. There is also access to the CAD admin dashboard from this area too. Also within the admin portal, you can define whether you want a license to run on activation, which is the current way the licensing system works, i.e. you have a serial number which you use to install SOLIDWORKS and the license is tied to that machine until you deactivate it. Or you can choose to use online licensing, which is the brand new way of managing licenses. It is completely optional as to which one you choose to use. So how does online licensing work? Within the admin portal, you associate your assets to a user. You set the licensing type to online activation. And once this is done, when you reactivate your software, it will warn you have changed to online licensing and force you to log in. On logging in, the activation server will see the license as being in use, and you would not be able to start another session on SOLIDWORKS on another machine with those same login credentials until you close SOLIDWORKS down on the current machine. So essentially, opening and logging into SOLIDWORKS takes a license, and closing SOLIDWORKS releases the license. Online licensing requires an internet connection. SOLIDWORKS will send a pulse to the activation server every couple of minutes to verify if the license is in use. But if you do need to travel, or you're going somewhere without an internet connection, there is an option where you can take the license offline for up to 30 days. Online licensing is scheduled to be available for customers April 2018 and will offer greater flexibility for managing your licenses. So to summarise, we see the SOLIDWORKS login, which gives us better My SOLIDWORKS integration and customer portal access, and we can also synchronise device settings. SOLIDWORKS admin portal allows us to manage assets online and associate products to users and quickly see license usage. And SOLIDWORKS online licensing, where activation follows login. We can quickly change hardware. There's no deactivate and activate process. And we have an offline mode where there is no internet connection available. The next video is on topology study.